To make a pulley, you need a bottle cap. As you can see, I've made a hole in the middle of it. Now take a bamboo skewer that is commonly used in our kitchens so that it can easily pass through the hole. Take two circle cardboard pieces and punch holes in the middle of them. Make sure that the cardboard pieces are identical. Now insert the bamboo skewer in one of the cardboard pieces. Then take your bottle cap and insert it in the skewer also. We have to glue it to the cardboard pieces, so make sure you use a good strong adhesive or glue. Now glue the other piece of cardboard on the bottom side of the bottle cap. Press down the cardboards firmly on the bottle cap so these don't come out. The pulley is ready. It should be able to move freely on the bamboo skewer. To make a basket, you can use bottle of any size and cut it from the bottom. Punch two holes on either side of the bottle so our thread can easily pass through. We need to tie double knots on both sides so it's firm and secure. Tie a longer piece of thread and this will be used on the pulley to move the basket up and down. It's ready, now let's test it out. It's a super fun activity for kids. If you liked it, then please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and follow for more videos.